Welcome back to Jot's Shop.
This starts a series of short videos showing quick jobs around the shop. This job is replacing cruise control switches on our 1998 Ford Explorer. Cruise control switches and their replacement are pretty much the same for late 1990s and early 2000s Ford SUVs. As you can see, our switches are in bad shape. One's covered with electrical tape and the other has completely fallen off. We purchased new switches on Amazon. The link is in the description below. The first step is to make sure the airbag doesn't explode in our face. That would ruin our whole day. Do this by disconnecting the battery and letting the car sit for 20 to 30 minutes. This discharges any capacitors. You can also just press the brakes. The second step is to remove the actual steering wheel airbag. Do this by removing the two plastic caps on each side of the steering column. Then, using a 5/16 inch socket, remove the bolts you'll find. Now pull the airbag out to get to the electric connection behind it. Carefully pull the connection off and set the airbag aside. Each of the cruise control switches are held down by two Phillips head screws and also have a wiring harness attached in the middle. After removing the screws, gently remove the wiring harness using a thin blade screwdriver and a set of needle nose pliers. Remember the orientation of the wiring harness as you remove it. If you put the harness on upside down, the cruise control obviously won't work. Insert the wiring harness into the new switches and then attach them to the steering wheel. Finally, attach your electrical connection to the airbag and slide the airbag back on. Secure the bolt on each side and replace the plastic caps. We've successfully replaced the cruise control switches. Your final step is to reattach the battery and take your car for a test drive. Well, that's a wrap on that quick job. If you have any questions on anything you saw or have any suggestions for us, we would really appreciate the comments. Put them below. If you like our videos, please press the like button. Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell. We really would appreciate it.
That's all, folks, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.